Okay, so you probably noticed that some characters that you search on Vim don't work as expected. For example, if I'm going to search dot here, I expect it to go to the stdio.h, but it's actually just going to jump to the next character. Now the reason for that is Vim treats some characters as regular expression characters. This actually depends on the current magic mode your Vim is on right now. So by default, Vim is on a mode called magic, in which some characters are treated as magic characters, for example dot, also dollar is another example. It's going to go to the end of the line each time. And you can switch this mode. I don't recommend switching the default mode, but while searching you can switch between 4 magic modes. I'm not going to show all of them, but here's for example /v, capital V, and then you're going to write dot. It's going to literally go to the dot and not treat it as a regular expression. If you want to not switch to a different mode and you still want to get to that dot, you just escape it with backslash. So backslash dot. They'll bring you to the dot. On the other hand, you probably noticed that when you're using the regular expression dot and then plus, this regular expression is supposed to select the whole line. So basically you have dot is any character and then plus, which means one or more of the previous character. So as you can see, it's actually jumping to the plus sign right over here. So if we wanted to actually treat the plus as a regular expression character, all you have to do is just put a backslash before the plus, and you'll see now that it's just going to search whole lines. Another option is if you plan using plus a lot in your sentence, you can just precede the search expression with /v, which is very magic. This is lowercase v. Don't confuse with uppercase v, which is very no magic. And then you can, again, press dot and then plus. It's going to select whole lines. Okay, another cool and useful pattern is the beginning and ends of words. So if you use, for example, backslash and then less than sign, you'll see that it's just going to select the beginning of words. But we can upgrade this, and also, for example, if you're just going to search I, you can see that it's just going to jump to all the I's in the document. But if you want to actually jump to words that start with I can just precede it with the beginning of the word and then I. Now you're only going to jump to words that start with the letter I. So it's not going to jump, for example, to this I right over here. Just going to skip to the beginning again. Same thing for the end of the word. So just like I used the less than sign, you can use the greater than sign. It's going to jump to the end of words. Okay, so the last trick I'm going to show you is search offsets. So if, for example, I'm going to search for int here, you can see that each match it's going to bring me to the first character of each word. But you can also use Vim to actually ask it to go to the end of each word instead of the beginning by just finishing off your search with /e, /end. Now you can see that each time I jump to the next match, it's going to bring me to the last character of the match. You can also specify a custom offset, for example int end, and then go 2 characters to the right. You can also use b for beginning, so int b and then +2. Well, this will just bring me to the end, but if I do int and then b +1, it'll bring me to the middle. And finally, a bonus trick. If, for example, I'm going to search int, and I'm not going to specify beginning of or ending of the word, I'm just going to say, for example, +2, it's just going to jump 2 lines from the match. So it's going to go 2 lines down from the match. You can also use minus. It's going to go 2 up lines. Subscribe for more Vim, and thanks for watching.